thank you so much for your warm comments and feedback and for reaching out to me with different queries and questions regarding careers. Inspired by the kind of questions I'm getting, I'm now starting my career series. And in this career series, I will be first talking about chartered accountancy. आप लोगों ने कहा है कि मैं हिंदी में बोलूं, so I will try and mix English and Hindi so that more and more of you can understand. So starting with chartered accountancy. हम लोग जब चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स के बारे में सोचते हैं तो हमें लगता है कि ठीक है, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट टैक्सेशन करता है, ऑडिट करता है, बट नो, अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट डज अ लॉट मोर देन दैट. चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी करने के बाद बहुत करियर ऑप्शंस होते हैं एंड आई डू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट ऑल ऑफ देम टुडे. फर्स्टली आई वांट टू डिस्पेल दिस मिथ कि चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी सिर्फ लड़कों के लिए होती है. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ विमेन इन दिस करियर. बहुत सी लड़कियां भी चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी लेती हैं एंड इट्स अ वेरी वेरी गुड चॉइस फॉर बोथ मेन एंड विमेन. चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिव्स. आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी का कोर्स कोई और कोर्स जैसे BCom, BA, BSc कुछ भी आप कर रहे हो, BBA कर रहे हो, BA इकोनॉमिक्स कर रहे हो, आप उसके साथ भी परस्यू कर सकते हैं. Right after your intermediate, you can start pursuing your chartered accountancy right after your intermediate. Typically, it takes 4 years to complete chartered accountancy. You have to clear one set of exams in your first year, after which you have to do a 3-year articleship. So typically takes you 4 years. अब कौन कर सकता है चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी, या चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? What are the key skills or personality traits that you need to have to be a good chartered accountant? Eye for detail. बहुत minute काम करना होता है इसमें. Ability to read lots and lots of stuff. काफ़ी इसमें पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती है और आगे जाके भी जो काम होता है उसमें काफ़ी रीडिंग और डिटेलिंग एक्सेल शीट्स का काम होता है, no matter which specialization you take. Other than that, yes, this requires you to have great amount of external focus. You should be a person who enjoys reading newspapers and magazines and listening to news. Great if you can listen to financial news. One great advantage of being a chartered accountant is you can either seek employment with a large company, a mid-sized company, or be a freelancer, start your own practice, which is a very attractive option for a lot of you. एक CA या तो किसी के यहाँ नौकरी कर सकता है या खुद अपनी प्रैक्टिस भी शुरू कर सकता है. अब चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी करनी है तो हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? हाउ डू यू गो अबाउट बीइंग अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट? इफ़ यू फिनिश योर क्लास 12, द फर्स्ट थिंग टू डू इज़ टेक योर CA फाउंडेशन कोर्स. If you have completed your BCom, you can directly enroll into chartered accountancy. बट मैं एडवाइस यही करूँगी कि आपको अगर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी करनी है to save on time, do it right after class 12th. It's good to have a commerce background. It's not mandatory. Commerce background हो तो अच्छा है. आसानी से सब्जेक्ट समझ में आते हैं, मेहनत थोड़ी सी कम करनी पड़ती है, but it's not important to have that background. You can be a BA student and pursuing chartered accountancy as well, or you could be a student in BBA and pursuing chartered accountancy. I've given the website where you can find out more details about this course. Now let's see, what is articleship. Articleship is a very important element of this program. और आप कहाँ articleship करते हो, that goes a long way in defining how your career will span out. अगर आप किसी छोटे शहर में हैं, इट मे मेक सेंस कि आप बड़े शहर में जाके किसी अच्छी जगह आर्टिकलशिप करें जहां आपको ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस मिलें. छोटी जगह पे या एक छोटे CA के अंदर आर्टिकलशिप करने से आपको उतना एक्सपोजर नहीं मिलेगा. यू गाइज विल नॉट गेट द काइंड ऑफ एक्सपोजर दैट इज़ नीडेड फॉर अ करियर इन अ लार्जर कंपनी लेटर. So choice of articleship and fighting really hard to make sure you get one in a good place is important. Now your articleship can be in a lot of areas. It can be in audit. Typically it's an audit. It can be in taxation. It could also be in a financial brokerage firm or under a practicing chartered accountant. मैं अक्सर कहती हूँ कि खाली एक डिग्री से फ़ायदा नहीं होता. It's a very, very competitive world out there. If you are doing chartered accountancy and if you want an edge to get a good job, अगर आप एक अच्छा जॉब चाहते हैं after you finish your CA, it's important that you upskill yourself. For a chartered accountant, it's very good these days to have a strong foundation in analytics, Excel sheets, maybe even a specialized course in taxation or a bachelor's in law. All these kind of educations or qualifications further enhance you and your credentials as a good, solid chartered accountant. Now let's look at the career options. Like I said, a lot of us think that chartered accountancy is really about taxation because our first engagement with a chartered accountant is typically for our parents' taxes, right? But no, there's more to being a chartered accountant. A chartered accountant can be working in any of the corporate firms. A chartered accountant can be engaged in a financial firm, in an investment banking firm, in a banking sector, of course in taxation, in treasury, in any consulting company as a part of the audit team or as a part of research team. अब ये डिपेंड करता है कि आप अपने को किधर लेके जाते हैं, आपकी रैंक क्या आती है, आप कितना नेटवर्क करते हैं, आप किस कंपनी को रीच कर पाते हैं. So it's all up to you how you want to take your career further. Chartered accountancy is a very solid foundation stone for a very, very promising career if you work it right. This chart simply shows you the range that you have in terms of earning potentials. आप कितना कमाते हैं really depends on आप किस कंपनी में हैं या आप क्या कर रहे हैं, आपको किस शहर में ओपनिंग मिली है और आपने अपनी स्किल्स कितनी डेवलप की हैं. Now how much you earn will really depend on how you've upskilled yourself, where you are, which organization you've landed, and what contributions you're bringing to the table. And if I have to talk about the upside potential, you could even end up being a CFO or a CEO of a company, a business leader. Yes, by being a good chartered accountant who's worked closely with business. I'll give you a lot of examples, people who become business leaders later on in their careers. You could be a specialist working as a taxation advisor. You could be in banking. You could be in treasury, working on derivatives and hedging, etc. Again, I'll repeat, CA just gives you a very good foundation in accounting and finance. Where you land really depends on the doors you knock on. Simply put, what are the differentiating factors? जब आप CA का कोर्स परस्यू कर रहे हैं, you cannot be sitting alone at home and simply studying. You have to focus on developing your communication skills, your networking, read books on leadership, watch TED Talks, watch good reviews, learn and pick up what it takes to be a good leader, a good manager. Breadth of knowledge, like I talked about, if you know any programming, if you know strong analytics, you know how to use Tableau or BI, all that really adds to what you will bring to the table and how you'll start off in your career and later how you'll progress. So खाली CA पे focus मत करिए. Try and build modern skills which are needed for you to perform at your work. अब अगर career grid की बात की जाए, how will I rate it on various parameters from a career point of view? This career has very low risk of obsolescence. एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट खाली अकाउंटिंग नहीं करता, खाली डेटा प्रोसेसिंग नहीं करता जो रोबोटिक्स आजकल कर रहा है. A chartered accountant gives advice based on a lot of parameters from the industry, from what's happening in the foreign markets, how's Forex moving, and various other things. So this role will always stay in a company. It's also a statutory requirement in most countries. India में हम इसको CA कहते हैं, internationally इसको CPA कहा जाता है. अगर आप इंडिया से बाहर जाना चाहें, if you have to leave India and you want to work outside, yes, a base course is CA, but you can also do a local CPA, which will make you a certified public accountant of that country, and you'll be able to practice accountancy over there. Once you've done your CA, typically getting a CPA license gets easier. You get a credit for a lot of subjects. Within the country, Of course, mobility is very high, earning potential is as high. The sky is the limit, and it really depends on you. There are two other factors that I want to talk about. Flexibility. The flexibility, what I mean over here is कि आप अपना business कर सकते हैं या आपको job करना है. There is moderate flexibility there. Early on, you might want to work for someone, and later you have the flexibility of starting off on your own. And the second factor is people factor. Chartered accountancy में लोगों के साथ interaction काफ़ी होता है. So if you are an introvert by your nature as a person, you will need to push yourself and make good relations at work. If you're starting your own practice, networking will be the key. तो इसमें आपको अपनी communication skills, अपनी personality उसी हिसाब से develop करनी पड़ेगी. What I want you to do now is just listen to someone who's just completed his chartered accountancy around 15 to 16 months back. He's now working with a multinational. And the key things that he said to us was, एक successful chartered accountancy के लिए अच्छी articleship बहुत ज़रूरी है. साथ में और skills add करना अपने में ज़रूरी है. उसके बाद rank आना ज़रूरी अगर नहीं कहूँगी तो important है. अच्छी रैंक आती है तो अच्छा जॉब मिलता है. एंड अगर एक बार इंसान इसमें फेल हो जाए, कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप गिव अप कर दो. ट्राई हार्डर. सो लिसन टू चिंतन, हु इज़ नाउ वर्किंग एट अ मल्टीनेशनल एंड शेयरिंग हिज टिप्स टू बी अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट एंड हाउ टू नेविगेट दैट जर्नी.
One advice to those who are pursuing CA right now would be that so this is a long journey of 4 years, right? And there are going to be ups and downs, and there may be certain failures. My only suggestion would be to not get bogged down by those failures. I'll give my example. So I gave my CA final attempt. In my first attempt, I failed and I could not clear, and I was as usual very dejected and disappointed. But the easier thing would have been to get disappointed and carry over the same momentum. But I decided that no, I should change this, and I started working even more harder. And
I also want to quickly flash over here Ratnam, who was a president of Philips Consumer Durables. He was a chartered accountant. He went up the ranks and became the business leader, the CEO of Philips Consumer Durables business in India. And this is what he has to say.
Hi, my advice to all the young students and job aspirants are as follows, and it's very simple and clear. No job is good or bad, and don't look for fancy titles or fancy designations if the job content is not good. Number one. Number two, your degree or your diploma is only a passport. It gives you an identity. It's the visa which makes the difference, because visa allows you to travel. Right? So hard work, understanding, knowledge, information gathering is what is important when you appear for an interview or even look for any job. Number three, ensure that the job is rich. It's in basics, because the first 5-6 years you never choose. You do all the things which will take you to the next level in the next 20 years. Number four is always reading, because Google gives you all information, but knowledge is what is going to separate you and the rest of the gang. And last but not least, I will always advise everybody is, close your side mirror. Do not worry about what he or she is getting or what your friends are getting. What do you want? Are you there on that path? That's what is more important, and prepare for that. Preparation, hard work, and really doing right things is what is going to land you in a good job. And not choosing anything in the first job is what is critical, and then you move it up.
So really, viewers, the potential in chartered accountancy is unlimited. What you make of it really depends on you. अगर आपकी कोई और queries हैं, you can leave them in the comment box. If you want to write to me directly, you can email me at richa.corporatediaries@gmail.com. Thanks and all the best.